Now we are going to Netto to buy some candy for me. And now this is Netto. I was just talking like some candy. So that's Netto. So let's buy some candy for me, like toys, whatever. So let's go. So we will first go. Get into the car. Let's go like a tree. Now let's go around here. What's that? What's that? So damn short. A glowing stick. So we will find out. But it's too lucky. So now we are going to take this out. Okay. Where should I put it? I'll put it right here. I bet